setting up ChatGPT, the tools and the platforms. So hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into how to get started with ChatGPT. So by the end of this video, you will know the tools and platforms you can use to access ChatGPT and how to get started with configuring it for your personal learning needs. What you need to get started. To begin, all you need is a device with internet access, be it a smartphone, tablet or a computer. Today, I'll guide you through setting up ChatGPT on a web platform which is accessible and easy to use. Let's start with accessing ChatGPT. So first, we will visit the official ChatGPT website that is available on chat.openai.com, and when you click on this, you will find a page like this with an option to sign up and log in on the left corner bottom. So once here, you can either sign in or create a new account. So let's walk through the sign up process together. We click on sign up. I create an account. I can continue with Google, continue with a Microsoft account, or continue with an Apple account since I am recording it on a MacBook. So sawan@ball109.com. I click on continue. I again set up a password. Now hit on continue. When I click on continue, what it would do is it would send me a verification email on the email address that I just gave. So for that, I will open my mailbox. That's my mailbox. I go to notifications. I verify my email. And here it gets verified. So verified, verification successful. It asks me about my name and my date of birth. I click on agree. And here my ChatGPT is ready to get started. So this is the first screen that you would see. And we hit on okay, let's go. So nice to meet you. I'm ChatGPT. Maybe you are here because you heard some of the things I can do. Sometimes I even help people with their work. What do you do? So this is just an intro message that ChatGPT has started a conversation with you. Now, exploring the ChatGPT interface. Once you're logged in, you will see the main interface. Here you can type your queries, interact with ChatGPT and customize the settings like this one. This is the interface, how it looks like. We have the option to message and we start a conversation. I'm new to ChatGPT, so tell me more and would like to know more. I would explain what ChatGPT is and what are its capabilities and so on. Now we need to configure our ChatGPT for learning. How do we do that? ChatGPT offers various customization options that can enhance your learning by telling ChatGPT that you are here to learn. For example, you can set a response length, the formality of the language, and even specific areas of interest. Let's look at how to adjust the settings for an educational setup. So this is the screen. We click on the left icon and click on Customize ChatGPT. Now here we have custom instructions for ChatGPT. Like it asks, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So I am using ChatGPT to help me with self-learning. So like, where are you based? What do you do for work? What are your hobbies and interests? What subjects can you talk about for hours? And what are the goals you have? And why are you using ChatGPT? So we can answer all of these, or maybe something different like I am typing in. Then you have, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So how formal or casual should ChatGPT be? How long or short should the responses generally be? How do you want to be addressed? And should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? So I answered a few of these questions here. Address me as Sawan. Keep it casual. And the response says to be short until specifically asked for. Also, we remain neutral on topics. So that's my entry. You can feed in as much information as you want. You have 1500 word limit, so you can use that and save it. That is how we set up or customize our ChatGPT. And here we start with using it. Cool. Let's move on to the next slide. Practical tips for using ChatGPT. When using ChatGPT for learning, it's helpful to be specific with your questions. The clearer your questions are, the better your responses. So it's like a robot or a computer. The better your inputs are, the better your outputs would be. So if you are not getting the right output, do not blame ChatGPT for that. Blame your inputs. You did not give the right input, which is why you're not getting the right output. And that's it. You're all set to start exploring and learning with ChatGPT. Remember, the more you use it, the more you will learn about how to make the most of this incredible tool. Next lesson, we will delve into basic commands and functions of ChatGPT. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day.